Ta-da! Yep. That's my short for today. Made a little over the toilet shelf center. Thanks for watching. I had to bust out a short. And it was too short. Back in the shop, we're going to make some shelves that go behind the toilets in the house. Cheap. You can go and buy some, but the stuff from Amazon, or I shouldn't say Amazon, the stuff you can go buy is kind of cheesy. I installed some last week and was very unhappy with it, so we went and got some material and we're going to throw it together. And let me get the camera so I can show you what tools and what materials we're using. So wood-wise, I went and bought 3 1x9-ish shelving boards. They're 3/4 by 9.5. They're 6 foot long. Also bought a 1x4. That would use that as well. I got a drill, screwdriver. I did get a box of number 8 1.25 screws. Yes, they are construction screws and galvanized, but I only needed a few, and I got plenty of other uses for them. Plus, they're going to go in on the sides, so you're not be able to see them anyways. I got some wood stain. In this case, we like espresso, so I got that. We'll cover it up. Square, some glue, short tape, and a pencil, and a skill saw. All right, I'm gonna put it on a time lapse, and so I'm not gonna make you suffer through the whole thing. Alright, I got it roughed in. I forgot to mention, I'm gonna need the sander. I got some rough spots on the backside. I'm gonna hit that real fast, and then we'll go ahead and get the stain going on it. So stick it right. Oh, I don't know. Oh, got a break for lunch. Be right back. All right, got a quick change order. I forgot before we put it all together to notch out the sideboards for the footboard that's in the bathroom, and it's a 1x8. So actually, it's like a 1x7, but I'm a 1x8. And we do that real fast, and then we'll get to getting the stain on. For you folks at home that don't have a set of gloves, not to worry. You can go get them little plastic shopping bags you got from the grocery store or anywhere else. Those things work just fine. Plus, they're probably not as sweaty as these, but since I got them, I mean, I could always just put this on, but we got it, so let's get to it. I know some of y'all are going to complain about them galvanized screws, so let me show you a little trick I've got for that. Let me show you the screw eraser right there. Whoop, whoop. When that dries, that'll be gone. Shiny? Not so shiny. Here's another quick trick. Let's see, those little wood glue on there dried a little too much. If I can get it off. Oh, where'd it go now? I don't see it. Oh, you got a crack back there with a spot on it? Huh. Oh, there's a whole bunch of wood glue up here. Let's see what we can do up here. Should we make that disappear? There's a little bit more back to the back. I know, I'm gonna get a lot of hate for doing that. Well, you didn't do it this way, you didn't do it that way. Guess what? I did it. Ta-da! Yep. That's my short for today. Made a little over the toilet shelf center. Thanks for watching. I had to bust out a short. And it was too short. Alright, we're going to do a quick video today. Right now I'm just testing the mic, make sure that the fan's not too loud. So we'll try this.